Okay. So in this, let me explain. This class has variables. C is a one variable which has a private access modifier. I is a variable
which has default.
F is a variable which has protected. L is a static variable which has a public access modifier. That means the C only I cannot access in another class. Now I can access I, F, L in the same package. Any class. So that is the first point. Even methods also. Method division method has a private access mode. So division I cannot call in another class. The same package. So swap I can access anywhere because it's a public.
It's public.
So get random double data which cannot be accessible outside the package, but in the same package, any class you can access. That means this get random double data I can access in this class. This class and this class are in the same package. So that's why default or package access modifier related members I can access here also. Protected I also I can access here. Because protected is accessible in the same package. Any class. Outside a package also possible if you apply inheritance. So I'm covering again access modifiers one more time here. Please pay attention here. Don't look at the here and there, guys. This is the crucial topic. So now let's go ahead. And I am calling. How to call? How to call? I am not going to create again here. I already created here. I want to reuse them. This method is reusing. I created here a data. I created methods here. Same methods I want to call in another method. I don't want to create again these methods there. How you can call these methods, this data in another class of same package. So this class in the same package, even this class also same package. Both are in the same package. How can you call one class static members in another class? That's the second scenario. If you go here and you have to read, see the read this statements, how to call one class static members in another class of same package. That means two classes are in the same package. One class static members, how can you call in another class of same package? What is the first formula? See this. How can you access one class static variable in another class? So what is the answer? Class name dot static variable. So what is the class name? Which class name members you are calling? Which class members you are calling? This class.
Static members.
This class. So this class name dot. Say which variable you want to call, any one of this variable, but not C. C cannot be visible. You can see there also. When you put a class name, let's put a class name here. Class name, when you put a dot, see what are visible, it will show there in the panel. C is not visible, division is not visible. You can see when you put a dot, which members you can access, it will show there. C is not visible, division method is not visible. Why? They have a less. They have a less permission. Private access modifier is there. That's why it's not accessible here. So I can access now anything. I will access stuff. So plus dot I. So this output I want to store in the another double data or float data, whatever it is. Double result equal to. See, did I declare F and I in this class?
No, sir.
No, sir. We are calling from another classes. This is how to call one class static variables in another class. How we are calling? What is the formula? Class name
dot static variable.
Class name dot static variable. I told you what dot will build, what dot will do. It will used to access
This
the members of this class. Particular class, static variables and static methods you can call. That's the dot operator. If you understand the definition, see you are using that here. So now I can print it. So result value is plus.
result.
That's the first thing. So that's how you are calling a static variables in another class. 929.5. So next formula, let's move on to the next formula. How to call one class static void method in another class? What is the formula? Answer?
Class name dot static method.
Class name dot static method. So all these formulas are very, very important. You have to by heart these formulas. So there is no other option or more number of times you practice so that you won't forget.
Class name dot
Easy, this is easy. But that division method is not there, no permission for that. So you cannot call that. Then what do? We need to call that. So what I need to do if I want to call that method? I need to change the permission.
modifier.
I need to give more permission for this. I'll remove this private. I'll give public.
Public.
Now it is visible. You go and see that. Now put a dot. Again, remove the dot, put a dot. Now division is visible. You can see here.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Division is visible. Why I have given a permission now? That's why it is visible. See, now you can call division method here. So this is the division method, static method name. I'm calling class name dot static method. How we are calling the static members of particular class? Class name dot
Dot
Static.
method.
static method.
Class name dot static variable. Okay. So next formula is how can you call parameterized void method? So what is the formula?
Class name dot static method.
Class name dot
Parenthesis
static
open.
method. Class
Method.
name dot swap. So 30, 50. So I can give any data. See, I'm following this or not. The parameter values I'm passing. Parameter values I'm passing. I am two parameters. I'll give two parameters. So here also in the formula. How many parameters are there? That many parameter values you have to pass. See, class name dot static method name. So this is the one. So what is the next formula? Return type methods how to call. Same as the same class, but extra area adding class name is adding. That's it for the methods and variables. So this is the one. So now what is the get random double data return type double? So rand val equal to, so class name is, this is the class name. This class name dot get random double data. See, this very as it is. I am following data type of the method is a
Type.
double.
Variable
Variable
name.
name, any variable name, you give any name. Then what is the next? Equal
Class
to.
name.
No, equal to assignment
Equal to.
operator.
Okay.
Class name. Class name is
Class
this
name.
class members you are calling that class name. Then dot to. Then method name. See how easy if you remember these formulas. Just replacing all the one. So random double
Great.
is plus
Plus rand val.
plus a variable name, any name you can give. Simple name, one name, one character also you can give, not a problem. So next. So what is the next one? How to call return type method in the print statement. Only return type methods you can call. That means the methods which returns a value, only those methods you can call in the print statement.
Print statement.
Not other methods. Please catch that. Easily you can understand, okay, the void method doesn't return that, so we should not call. without void methods, they are giving a value, they are outputting a value for us. So that's why we have to return. So either you can call in the print statement, or either you can store in the variable, right? See, we are storing this method output. This method output we are storing in a variable because that is giving a value for it. So you are storing and you are printing later. But here I am directly I can print. Even 2 lines I don't want to write. Sometimes when you can store in the variable this value, you want to use in the next line. Then you will store in the variable. Otherwise, you just want to print your method output. Then you can directly print, right? Fahrenheit temperature is plus. So the class name first. See here also the class name first plus after class name. So this is the class name. Class name dot convert Celsius to Fahrenheit 39.0 capital F. Why capital F I'm writing is a float value, float data type. That's why. So 39 degrees Celsius is equal to 102.2 Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit.
So this is the how to call one class static members in another
In
class.
another class.
So this is the second scenario. Any questions?